Dajahao, my name is Garrick, and welcome back to Taiwan, Laowai. So, it is still our first day in Tainan, and we are still waiting for the hotel to let us in, so it's time to take a bit of a walking tour and show you some of the sights of this wonderful city. Alright, first step on our journey is Chikan Cultural Park and Tower. There's some cultural information. You can pause and read more closely if you want to. That is one heck of a tree, gotta say. You can feed the fish. This is not a drill, you can feed the fish. So it looks like Chikan was some kind of sea god, and this is his temple for all the sailors in the olden days, or something like that. Ah, that was fun. Nice little cultural site. A lot of interesting information, hilarious fish. Even got myself a snack from the gift shop. This is a strawberry puff sort of deal. I hope the camera is picking this up. Yeah, it's some kind of strawberry puff, which looks very tasty, so I'll make sure to try that out. For now, though, our second destination awaits, so let's be off. Oh, so that's what they are. They're like tiny little cream puffs, but with strawberry cream inside instead of like ice cream or whatever. That's neat.
Oh, baby girl.
Apparently this place is called the God of War Temple. Very cool.
Oh, baby girl.
Alright, we have reached our next sightseeing location. Welcome, lords and ladies, to the Grand Mazu Temple in Tainan. I don't know what it is about temple sightseeing that I love so much. I just find them so fascinating. Be very careful with the shots I take because there are a lot of people praying in here today, and the last thing I want to do is disturb them by being an annoying American. So I'll take things nice and quiet. So I saw this in the Chikan tower as well. I think the idea is you throw both of those stones and hope they both land a certain way. I forget what the exact process was, but I'll give these a throw. And then I'll look back at my footage and I'll see how well I did. Alright, 2 face up. Is that good? Hope so. Me from the future, is that good? Yeah? Yes? Hope so? Yay? Maybe so? Okay, good. Look at all those storks. This must be a shrine to a god of children and childbirth, because look at all of these. I don't know what it is, man. I just really love temples. And now it sounds like there's some sort of parade going on, so I gotta go check that out. that was delightful. No idea what they were celebrating, but that looked like a lot of fun, so I am glad the timing worked out that I could see that. Anyway, that's all for the Grand Mazu Temple. On to our next stop. Let's grab some watermelon milk to help beat the heat a bit. This is very refreshing. Alright, the next stop on our tour, the Wu Gardens, which I guess are not actually gardens and are more of a portrait gallery. Which is nice. I guess this guy Wu is the guy who painted all of these. And my god, these are beautiful. Look at all those details. Look at those colors. My god. You put these next to any Surat or whatever, they'd fit right in. Like, good god. Michael Jackson. They have these giant books you can flip through. Oh my god. There is no way I'm gonna be able to show you all of this. So, do yourself a favor. If you ever visit Tainan, come here for yourself. Because it's really remarkable. Alright folks, hold the phone. It might not be just picture gardens. There's another room. And it might lead out into some actual gardens. Oh me, oh my. Oh my, oh me. Oh my goodness. Looks like there are tree spirits in this thing. Is this tree just like building on top of all these stones, like using them to plant its roots? It's wild. I don't think I'm allowed to go in there. Oh my goodness. Or am I allowed to go in? Now I'm curious. Who should I ask? Looks like I am forbidden to enter, that's what the sign says. Oh well, no cave spelunking for me today. I swear y'all are just tempting me at this point. Let me in. Let me in. case you couldn't tell, this is a very big sightseeing day. You know, all the atmospheric, quiet, historical, cultural places. And I think we got one more to check out before it's time to go back to the hotel. But first, I noticed something on the way here, and I think we all need to see it together. So this place is sort of on the street corner, diagonal to the Wu Gardens. The Wu Gardens are like right over there. And as I was walking there, I couldn't help but notice this little sign up front. Michelin certified rice balls. I think we have to try those out, don't you? Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. No wonder it costs so much. This one big fat rice ball cost 110 NTD, and that is quite a hefty price. Let's hope it's worth it. Gonna start with a bite of just the rice itself and the juices. Michelin dining in Taiwan. Let's go. Well, that's very nice. Usually I find like sticky rice balls like this tend to be a bit too sticky for me, but this rice holds together just the right amount. It like gives in your mouth, all the juice soaks in. Mushroom in the center. Woo. Wow, that's full of flavor. That like tastes like a pork mushroom almost. My god. Okay, yep, that's definitely classic Taiwanese braised pork in the middle here. Let's get a bite of that. Oh, that's really good. Man, you know, I thought I wasn't hungry, but now suddenly I am starving again. Ooh, looks like we got water chestnut too. That's taro, I think, actually. Ooh. This is just a bundle of surprises. Oh my gosh. I'm going to devour this to the best of my ability. Gonna be a good lunch. Good lord, that was insane. There were like surprises in every bite. There was the braised pork, there were mushrooms, there was a soft boiled egg in there somewhere, like a whole egg or like a salt cured egg. I think there was some dried shrimp as well. So yeah, that definitely earned its Michelin star, I'm happy to say. With that said, we got one more temple to visit, so bear with me, because we are heading north.